Hey, welcome back. It's Friday, almost Christmas time, guys. And if we don't have two ends of the spectrum here for you guys, a Hummer H1 Humvee and a Danger Ranger. Christian's over here taking pictures. I slipped in real quick and said, let me get a video knocked out for a couple reasons. And thank goodness Christian went and photographed this one. And he thought he was doing really good. He tries to impress me. I gotta hand it to him. My man, he tries really hard. So he said, this Hummer, I got the perfect spot. So he went down the road, and y'all have all seen our video where Christian gets kicked out of places and all that. So he's got this off the beaten path spot, perfect spot to photograph this sweet Hummer. He'll come back and show me these banging pictures. And he basically got stuck. He eased off the road to get a cool shot with some grass. The grass turned out to be mud. The Hummer's very heavy. That's the way it went. So I come back and I'm walking out back to check a van in, and he's dressing the tires and wiping the truck down. I'm like, that's weird. Alvin just did this. What's he doing it for? Well, he said, I know you're going to be mad. He told me the story. So, not mad. He tried hard. We really do try to bring the best pictures. That Hummer right there, if you guys are a loyal follower, you'll see me and AJ had a little bet, and I got to go back and find that bet. The noisiest cars in the world drive by at 11 o'clock on a Friday. Golly day. This Hummer was purchased out of California, shipped into us for a bunch of extra customizing, already had a ton of stuff done to it. The website has all the exact details. I'll run over a few of them. It's got LED lights everywhere. Those are Baja Decision LED lights, Vision headlights, the Hummer store for a lot of this stuff. It has the full protective armor on the front. It has the hood scoop. It has the snorkel. Underneath of this, other than there's a little dirt under there currently, is the most rust-free one of these we've ever had. Most of these are real susceptible to rust. Custom front bumper with Warren winch hidden away. Rigid LED lights up there also. Custom rear bumper with hidden away Warren winch. So if Christian had gotten stuck, he would be able to recover himself and still wouldn't be able to tell me about it. But the controllers are there. I don't think these have ever been used. All of the upholstery for the inside and outside is excellent and has been replaced. These covers and canvas are in great shape. The roof's in great shape. Rear lights, LED lights. We serviced this truck, it's been about a month ago. I think I rushed to get it to him for Thanksgiving after the place he got it from delayed him for like 60 days. And this guy doesn't like waiting 60 minutes, much less 60 days. But it was a very custom truck. The off-road shop took care of the wheels, some tires, some other stuff that we needed to do, knocked out some accessories. We detailed it up. I think we tinted the windows. It still has the factory glass. And if you guys are watching this for the Danger Ranger, we'll get to it. I know this isn't as exciting as that Ranger. But the full inside is decked out with stereo. How do you turn it on? You gotta turn the truck. Oh. So the other thing with this truck, you're not gonna be able to hear the sound anyway, so there you go. At least it lights up. This truck will start in sub-freezing temperature. I had to make sure of that before I shipped it to him because he would not have taken it if it didn't. The interior's all custom, the stereo's all custom. It sounds amazing. The front windshield is still original, and if it's not, it's actually Hummer replacement. It still has the defroster built into the windshield. If you catch the angle just right, you can see the little squiggly lines. That's how you know. Those windshields are very, very expensive. $3,000 or $4,000 a piece, if I remember correctly. We've had to replace one before. I've had a lot of these H1s. Kristen. You missed a spot. That's weird. So, this is basically a $200,000 build. It's gonna be for sale for $120,000. Make sure you put that in the comments. Best deal on an H1 you go find. Search eBay, search anywhere you want to. I don't care where you search. If you buy one that has these accessories, Predator side steps, all the bumpers, all the stereo, all the stuff in this shape without rust. Matter of fact, there's stock ones that are bringing more than that just because they're not rusty. You cannot find them without rust. this is a killer deal. Those are 38s, 20 by 12 wheels, specifically ordered with the offset in the color. This paint on this does look like the desert tan. It's actually metallic, and today we don't have enough sun. You're never gonna be able to see it, but this is actually a pearl or metallic paint on this truck, and it's done well. It was fully disassembled to do it for the most part. You can see all the screws and stuff were removed. This is also an upgrade here. We will never do a video here again. Golly day, unbelievable. But turnkey truck starts in sub-freezing temperatures without plugging it in. We did put a new block heater on it to make sure it worked properly. So if you do plug it in, you have nice heat pretty much immediately. But that's a big deal for those too, because if you own one of those early generation diesel Chevrolet, GM motors, AM General, make sure to put AM General in the description. That'd be cool. And a good thumbnail. Got it? And I actually have most of my thumbnail back again from my injury. That's gonna be cool for somebody. You also gotta put all the legal crap because we set the price. But a great Hummer, yes, it's a lot of money. Compare what's out there. There aren't any of this quality. If it wasn't for the fact that me and this guy do so much business flipping and flopping and trading, and I think AJ won the bet, we knew he wouldn't keep it long, but this guy's on a mission to buy and own one of every kind of vehicle there is, and thank goodness he relies on us for that. I have taken so good a care of this man over the years, dropping off, delivering on Sundays, anything he asks, but we've done a lot of transactions, maybe 100. I know since Christian's been here, there's been 30 or 40 boats, RVs, campers, any kind of wild vehicle. He loves them, and we appreciate his business. Just like all customers, we appreciate them. That's a special truck for a good deal. Ranger, no exaggeration. That's actually a pretty cool vehicle. 2022, 2022, 2020, 44,000 miles, I do know that much. This was traded in directly to us. The Ford dealer is interested. I may end up selling it to them because you don't see a lot of Rangers. 2020. 46,000 miles. 46,444. Automatic, touchscreen, rear view camera. Basically an XLT. I don't think you can get much more loaded on a Ranger, but I'm not a Ranger expert. And I think this is going to be 29.5, somewhere in that neighborhood. So still under factory warranty, probably. We'll call that in and check the VIN number. It will be serviced, it will be inspected at the Ford dealer. And Christian is getting ready to photograph it and put it live as well. So you'll see both of these probably by the time the video drops on the web. Shipping anywhere, of course. If somebody's looking for a Hummer, you got a neighbor that's mentioned one, that's a once in a lifetime deal. I've sold a lot of Hummers, they're all 100, 120, 130, 140, 150. They're never that quality. That was a good one. But it was West Coast owned, West Coast built, and has a ton of cool stuff. And of course, AJ showing up and showing off in our SEMA F450 dually. That's a good one. Somebody actually texted me about that yesterday from the West Coast. I don't know if they're getting it or not, but I had it tucked away at home. As Christian said in the live, I like to take things home and hoard them at the house sometimes. AJ had to find the keys. He couldn't even find the keys. That's a really cool truck. I have been driving it, yes. It is a cool dually. It needs to be detailed. We had it in the Christmas parade. My daughter loves it. 20,000 miles? Yeah, somewhere around teens or 20,000 mile. True SEMA dually. SEMA badging is still in the truck. Light up stereo, all the good stuff. Overlays, powder coat. Probably one of the best priced dualies on the market right now. And that's that is a 450. So cool truck as well. Drop a full video of that one sometime today. I think we did a little one a while back, but of course everything across the street's available. Dave's in the building getting a lot of stuff ready currently too, and we'll have more soon. Thanks guys. Davis Drives on YouTube, Davis Auto Sales. Thanks for letting us hit 250. Thanks guys.